Hi. My part of the paper is literature review. The Second Chance Act of 2007 literature provides extensive federal monetary support for states to improve services and supervision for people who are released from prison. The iron law of prison population states that the size of prison population is completely determined in two factors: how many people go in and how long they stay. Um, and the research shows that men with significant resources for support were less likely to reoffend. Prison administration policies seek to address the level of education, training, and employment for ex prisoners in order to improve recidivism rates. This includes reading, work, includes work readiness training, vocational education and training, and job placement to improve skill sets and address poor work histories. Um, Having a good job can lead to improved health conditions, higher self esteem, and positive social interactions, which can lead to reduced recidivism. Thank you.